Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's see some beautiful, kind, and sweet channels. Yes, it's a roasting video. First, start with her.
Wait.
How she is getting so many subscribers. Let's start wasting time. I mean, without wasting time. Guys, are you being bored? No, not anymore. I have something for you, which will make you laugh. Let's see. Congratulations, you make us laugh. Now I have something for you. Pinterest is also showing the pictures of queens and kings of K-pop, and mostly of Miss Jennie Kim. Let's see her next creation. Pick me, are you? Serious, bro. I mean, like, let me show you something. Did you remember? Now, who is the real pick-me? Let's see our new hater. Here she is. What? Which mental is subscribing her? Then what happened to mine? Well, I am okay. Let's start. Are you sure? Wait, let's see her buys. Let's see whom you call ugly. Okay, starlets, this is the end, cause I'm really tried to edit more, but if you want next full version, so please tell me.